In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone speaker low sound. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, low speaker volume on an iPhone is usually caused by a physical debris blocking the fine mesh or a software setting like reduce loud sounds being active. So firstly, just make sure there's no dust or anything covering up the speakers on your iPhone. Then what you could do is go over to your settings application. Then from here, go to sound and haptics. So go ahead and scroll down. You're going to find sound and haptics right here. You're going to see a lot of options here, but scroll down again and you're going to see reduce loud sounds. If this is enabled, go ahead and make sure to turn this off. Next, go over to volume limit, where it says limit maximum volume, disable that as well. And then also go to headphone safety, and then where it says reduce loud audio here, disable this as well. Once you disable all of those things, your sound should be a lot better. Of course, just go to your control panel. Just make sure your volume slider is up as well, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.